Working with our new name tag designs, both the Memory Craft 1000 and the Memory Craft 100E have these designs. They are underneath your decorative tab, and then when you come in here, you're going to go to the one on the very right hand side here. Looks like a little label. There are 3 choices. I'm going to choose the first one, and when you choose it right away, it goes right to your Ready to Sew screen. But I do want to edit a name into there. So I'm going to open my edit screen and bring the design in over here. Now I'll go back to my home and I'll select my letters. I can come back into my fonts and page through my fonts and find the one that I want to use. And I think for this one, I'm going to use the first grade font. I'm going to set my letters going across, and I want to use the large letters to start with, and I'll do a capital letter. So I'm going to start with a capital, go to my lowercase. There we go. Once I have it set, touch OK, and now I can bring it down here. Now the large letters, and I like to show this, that the large letters are going to be too large to go in here, even if I shrink them down. So we're going to go back into our lettering, and we're going to try the medium ones. Go back to your uppercase, then lowercase, and OK. There we go. Now that one looks pretty good in there. I may have to shrink it just a bit, so I can come right here to the little, it looks like a little paper with an arrow. That will reduce it. There we go. I can bring it down a little bit more like that. I think that's pretty good, and OK. If I want to see it closer, I do have a magnifier up here, so I can choose one of these magnifications to take a look at it. And then I can, with the hand with the dotted square, I can move my background around and not move the actual design, just the view, so I can see where my letters are fitting in there. And that looks pretty good. I might want to move my name down just a little bit, like that, and over, so I can fine tune it. Once I have that done, I go back to my magnifier, and then I'll go back to my magnifier and choose the shorter one. I'm going to delete my name down here because that's the one we're not using, so I'll use my trash can. I can take this now right to my Ready to Sew screen, and I could stitch it out. If I was planning a party, I could have that in my edit screen. We'll go back here, and I could move all of this up, and I could put probably 3 different of the labels in here, the name tag labels in here, and get them ready for a party. And that's how you use our new name tag labels.